Okay.
Oh, Kurt's gone. Well, I'll edit it, I guess.
Are we recording? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are in our preparation for Peace Week next week. Super stoked about what we're going to be looking at, particularly on Tuesday at the intersection of trauma, compassion, and economy, which sounds like a bizarre interface, but it's real. So here we are. We're getting ready to get part of the Peace Week challenge, another experiment going. And this is an experiment with Sqale, an app that's been developed for us to exchange with value in an exponential way. Now, that might sound a little complicated because it is to me, not to the mathematician that developed it, who is David, but it is going to be something for us to learn about, understand how it works, participate in it. And so by the time we start rocking on day 2 of Peace Week, we will have already been part of this experiment, and we will be able to see what happens when people who care actually spend a moment to acknowledge the value of what they're experiencing and share it with other people. So, David, you're going to be taking us through a workshop walkthrough of the Sqale app so we can participate in it before Tuesday, so that by Tuesday comes, we'll be all able to see how we've been building this new economy.
Yeah. And I think that the workshop itself is going to be a walkthrough. So it's how to use the app. But the principle right now is, and it'll be really powerful if people in the Peacelab get involved at this early stage. But it's going to be a walkthrough through the app. But the simple thing is, the very simple thing is, it changes how money operates. And it's about giving. So and hopefully we're going to be sharing the Peacelab with other people. And in so doing, we're using Sqale and it's generating revenue. Because when you share, you're going to be sharing with money. Now, is that something I should say at this stage? Or maybe
Yes, you say it because what we're doing is working with the current economy to grow a new economy.
Yes, we're phasing between the two.
Yeah.
And only through the social experience. Now, here's the thing. It's only through our social experience that's validated. It's not an individual. If we individually do something, it's like, who cares? But if we start seeing the social effect, we go, that's why I'm doing it. Kurt, you're on mute.
Yes. And one of the things about the Peacelab is it's an experiment. So we're experimenting with creating the new economy. Again, the laboratory creates, investigates, researches, and explores and experiments. Here we are doing it. So we invite everybody who is watching this to simply give it a go, as they say in Australia.
Click on the link in this email and you will find yourself in the app and you will be able to start participating. Is that correct, David, or am I wrong?
Actually, the clever thing about this, once we start to realize the power, okay, it's like the Peacelabs, it's about our engagement in real time is the transformation. So similarly, you think, okay, so the people watching this have clicked on it, okay? They have registered, they have clicked open, and they're looking at this, okay? And so there's no promotion to any of this. It's all about sharing. It's
Right.
very interesting, okay? So once we start realizing we have a tool that supports our engagement, and it's about organic sharing, everything changes. So the idea of, for example, promoting is just not right. We're not promoting anything. All we're doing is we're sharing. We're sharing what we think is valuable with people that are valuable. And once we have an economic that enables this, oh, wow. Okay, so I just wanted to just add this one thing. Okay, it's going yabbing, but when I came up with this tool, and it's taken a while to get to this point, I loved the idea. I loved the idea that if this thing goes viral, it's because of people that have got a good cause. Okay, rather than it goes viral because of some lolcat or the young people are doing something again or da da da. It's actually people that are actually making a difference. Okay, so there's a potential. Okay, that all the work that's been put into Peacelab, okay, over this coming year is the thing that actually, goes viral, okay, and generates revenue for us and for the various projects that hopefully we're encouraging and developing. So I would love for this to happen, yeah. So really nice. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough of our intro. Do you think?
I'm ready to give it a go. Let's
Come on
go.
Saturday. Come in on Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. GMT. I mean, come on down and be part of this experiment. Please.
Yeah.
Great. Gratitude.
And we welcome you all with great respect and love. Come.
Beautiful. I'll switch that off.
Yes, that's good.